Hey Funkies, it's me, Mara. I hope you're all doing fantastic on this beautiful Monday. Listen, I have a sweet tooth and I've got some mangoes and bananas that are about to go bad. So I figure this will be a good time for me to show you how to make a really delicious mango nice cream. So stick around and I'll show you what to do. So the first step, I'm gonna take my juicy ripe Florida mango and I'm going to go ahead and slice this and show you a really neat trick on how to peel the skin off. So let me start with slicing. First thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna put your mango base here in this direction. So it's almost like the bigger side on the bottom. Think of an egg and the skinnier side on top. And I'm gonna slice. Be very careful, very careful. You can kind of see this direction. I'm gonna go ahead and slice it down. As you see, my thumb is pointing in this direction. Slice, slice, slice. I'm gonna do this other side too. You kind of have to watch out because the pit does not fool around. This pit does not fool around. Now, I'm left with 3 delicious mango pieces over here. I'm left with 3 delicious mango pieces over here. Now, I'm gonna take this piece over here. I'm gonna slice it. I'm doing my best to follow the direction of the pit itself. And then I'm gonna take each of these mango cheeks. I'm gonna slice them in half. All right, so there's plenty of skin on here and plenty of fruit, and I'm probably gonna start munching on this, but the most important part for this delicious nice cream is that you need your mango slice, because this is gonna be the star for today's Florida summer treat. So now that my mangoes are sliced, I'm gonna take this slice over here from the cheek, and you see that I have this glass. Watch what I'm about to do, and I'm gonna put the credit next to this awesome YouTuber that I found this trick from. All credit is due. You take it, you see this? You take the brim of your cup and you slice it, you let it just gently slide, and look at this, look at this, look at this. All you've got here is skin, and all you've got here is the meat. And I'm gonna repeat that until all these mango pieces have their skin fully removed. Listen, I am all about working smarter and not harder. You feel me? I know. And before you know it, all your mango pieces are here in this cup, and I will show you what the next step is. The next step is here to take the mangoes that have all been sliced and de-skinned, and you're gonna take a very trusty food processor. You see over here, you're gonna take your trusty food processor and you're gonna go ahead and dump all the mango pieces in here. This is the first step. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take 5, you are gonna take 5 very ripe banana bread ready bananas that are frozen. You want them to freeze overnight, freeze into pieces that are about 1 inch. And you want to make sure they're nice and frozen, almost like ice cubes, and then you're gonna gradually go ahead and put these in. But I have made nice cream so many times that I don't like to add all the banana chunks in at the same time because that clogs up the blender or food processor in this particular moment. So I'm gonna start off with half of this. Once again, you have 5 frozen bananas, so 1 mango to 5 bananas. So I have enough here. I'm gonna go ahead and just start this just to get this going to begin blending. It's gonna take a little bit of time, so bear with me. Also, you need to make sure that your food processor is actually plugged in. Okay, so I let that blend for a few seconds. There is one extra thing I'm going to add before I throw in more bananas, and it is this. Red chile powder. I got this from New Mexico. It's mild, but it has a little bit of a kick. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just add a tablespoon of the chile powder. It is going to give this mango ice cream a nice little kick, and it's gonna balance beautifully with the sweetness of the mango and the banana. So gotta add that. It's a nice little trick, a little twist and kick to my recipe. So I'm gonna continue to add the rest of the frozen banana to this mixture. Let's continue blending, shall we? You wanna pause this every few seconds just to make sure that the mixture is blending really nice and smoothly. And it is. It's gonna take about maybe at most 3 minutes with this type of blender that I have. So now I'm just taking a pause to let this blend. So you're looking to blend this bad kid until it gets to a nice custardy consistency. Personally, I like my ice cream to be as smooth as custard. One thing you can do afterwards is you can go ahead and put it in the freezer once it's done and let it freeze from 30 minutes to an hour just to give it a little bit more of a hardness to it, to make it more of a hard scoop. But let's continue mixing just for another minute, okay? Oh my goodness, everybody. This mango and ice cream is done. It has been blending for about 4.5 minutes. I stopped it periodically so I can continue to puree. The only liquid that was in here was really the juice from the mango, but it was straight up mango banana, and once again, New Mexican red chile powder. And this looks absolutely fantastic. I want to go ahead and show you. Look at that. It looks so good and so creamy. Remember I told you it's almost like a gelato. That's what it feels like. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna go ahead and try this out, and I'm going to serve it up in my cup. Let's see. It looks really good, but let's just see how it tastes. Okay, so I'm gonna give this just a couple scoops. Yeah, this is not sexy, but it's all good. All right. Uh-oh. I'm gonna get another nice scoop. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this, everybody. This looks incredible. It looks so good. I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. I cannot wait to see what happens when you mix mango, frozen banana, and chile powder together. It creates a really beautiful color. It's almost like a pumpkin, or like a burnt orange. This is actually one of my favorite colors, so let's give it a try. That is really nice. That is so good. Oh my goodness. The juiciness from that Florida mango, that with the frozen banana mixed together, gives it like a smooth, creamy, custardy flavor. It's almost like a mango gelato. But then you add the chile powder, which isn't terribly spicy. It just has a little bit of a kick. It gives it really just enhances the flavors so well together. And it has just a little kick, but it complements the mango in such a beautiful way. So listen, if you like this video and you like this content, go ahead and please click that subscribe button. Follow me on Facebook at The Funky Spork. Check out my recipes at www.funkyspork.com, and follow me on Instagram. I will have all the links down here below. I'm gonna go ahead and just continue eating this nice cream because it's just so darn good. Anyway, that's all I have for this Monday night. I'll see you later. Bye, Funkies.